Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll discuss with you that how we can make effective presentations using Enter OpenOffice software. So firstly you have to go to Play Store and you have to download this application Enter OpenOffice. Mine is already downloaded, so I will just click on open and now here you can see that there are various options under this Enter OpenOffice, like you can create any text document like you create in MS Word. Similarly in this you can write in the text document, spreadsheet for Excel, presentation, drawing, formula, template. So these are the following features which Enter OpenOffice provides you. And to appear your screen like desktop mode, so you will just you can just go to select settings and you will click on this desktop mode. Okay, you have to tick this option, desktop mode. Now let us start with the presentation. Here you can see the type of presentation, empty presentation. This will be the presentation which you will start without any template or anything. In the preview you can see, if I select from template, see this in the preview you can see any template if you want to select. So I will just go with the empty presentation and I will click with the create. Okay, now you can see here the title bar of your screen: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, slideshow, window, help. This is the title bar. After that there is toolbar with the various tools for modifying your slides. Okay, so here you can see that on first slide here you can see that there is written click to add title. So whenever you want to write any text on your slide, what you will have to do, if you're using in your Android phones, you will click on click to add title. After that from right side you will see that there are three options, like small keypad is there, one mouse like icon is there. So you will click on the keypad option and your phone's keypad will come in front of you, and now you can type whatever you want to write. Okay, so after writing you have to click on the back button of your phone so that your keypad get disappear. I want to change the font of this text, so what I will do, I will just click on some long press action is required over here. You will click on your text box and after that you will click on font, and from here this list you can select any font which you like and it will change the font style. Okay, now I have to write here something, so I will just again click over here, keypad technology. Okay, now what I want to do, if I want to change any color or anything of this font, what I will do, select style. I want this text to be appear as italic. See, it became italic over here. So like this I can change the style of the font. Here are following options. You can see here shadow, strike through, overline, underline. So you can change any of according to your requirement. Okay, so this was all about that, how we can write anything on the slide, how we can change it style. Okay, so like this there was. Now if I want to change any design of my slide, what I will do, I will click over here format, and after that I will click on slide design or slide layout according to which I want. Okay, I will go to slide design. I will click on exchange background page and click on load. See, here you can see the various presentation backgrounds. Okay, I will select this and I will click on OK. See, okay, so like this I can change the design of my slide. Now I want to insert another slide, so I will just click on this icon, slide with the plus sign. I will just click on here and my next slide has been changed. Now I want to change layout of this slide. I will go over there. See, the layout of my slide has been changed. I don't want this slide, so I will just click on this slide and I will cut it. Okay, on this slide I want to insert any picture, so what I will do, I will go to insert and now I will go to picture option, not this. I will go to insert and I will click on picture option, and there will be two options. There are two options you can see on the screen, from file or scan. I will click on from file, and here I can select any of the picture which I want and I will click on open. See, like this. So like this I can change any of the, according to the requirement I can use it. Okay, so this was all about that, how we can write any text on the slide, how we can change any design of the slide, and how we can insert any picture. So now there is that how you can see the slideshow. With the slideshow you can see your all the slides at one time. This is first slide, this is second slide, okay, and this is. So for today I have shown you that how we can make use of Ender OpenOffice software. With the help of Ender OpenOffice software we can design the presentation, we can create the effective presentations, and this is also using Impress software in our applications on the desktop. We can create this thing, and this is the similar app like we use on our desktop, that is using OpenOffice Apache software. With the Impress software we can create the same presentations. Okay, so for today it was all about the Ender OpenOffice presentation software. In my next video I will bring something new for you. Till then, have a nice day and thank you.